Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to another episode of the JAX-RS series. Today I have... What are you doing here?
What are you doing here?
I'm recording the intro for my show.
Cool, man.
Could you please go away?
Could you please go away?
No, see, it's my show. You go away. Okay, you can sit here, but please stay quiet. Welcome to another episode of the JAX-RS series. Today, what are you doing?
What are you doing? Hey, man. There are letters at the camera. Do you really think somebody cares about this RegEx routing?
Hi guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the third and final episode of the short mini-series about resource routing. You remember from the last time static routing and dynamic routing, and today we will talk about RegEx and more tricks we can do. So let's just play around with the code a bit. On this machine I have running the server we wrote in the last two episodes, which is returning hello world in 3 languages. You remember the static routing part, and you certainly remember the dynamic routing part, which you can see here. And let's try it out with curl, for example. We can do curl in French, and it says Bonjour le monde, and this is demonstrating that our dynamic routing is working correctly. We can do the same with the German part. It says Hallo Welt, which is from here, from the static routing, and we can do this one, hello world. So there are a few questions open. What happens with this one? Let's try it out. It does nothing. Why is that? This is because we are going into this sub-resource, but we don't find a matching path. We only find this one. So let's extend that. Let's just return anything. And see, it works. Oh, sorry, I have to restart the server, certainly. And it answers yo, and you see it still is able to serve French also. I did that because I wanted to demonstrate a fallback. A fallback is nice, but actually I want to get a bit more control about this fallback. So let's start with RegEx. If we want, for example, a fallback that only chimes in when you give numbers like an ISO code or a phone code for the language, then we want to answer with exactly that code. So let's do that. I'm adding a path annotation, and now I'm giving a regex. And to receive the actual result, I need curly braces. In a future episode, we will learn that curly braces actually are for path parameters. I will show in depth later in that other episode. So for now, let's just use it as it is. And the parameter shall be like code. And now comes the regex. I will give, for example, decimals only, as many as we like. You can learn about regex on the web. There are lots of tutorials. Just put it here. And to receive the parameter, I'm writing here, I want a path parameter. Again, we will learn that in a future episode, just to demonstrate regex for now. And I have to tell it the name of the parameter and the type. Let's go with int, for example. And let's call it lang. And we just print something nice with hello world in another language. So you get the idea. Now let's start a server. And give it a try. We start again with French. We're still working, Bonjour le monde. Or in German, which does Hallo Welt, still from static routing. Or next example with numbers. Hello world in line 4711. And now the interesting point is, if I don't give numbers, the original fallback is broken. So if I want the original fallback, I have to add it. There's even more you could do with your example. For example, you could add media types. For example, we could do the following. We have two methods matching the exact same HTTP method. And one is producing text plain. And the other is producing text foo. So this is the foo one. Let's say hello foo. Start the server. Okay, let's try it out. Again with curl HTTP localhost. Our port. This is the path, and it says hello world. And now we are providing a header, so we can tell it we want the other one. And here's the other one. So what it does is text plain is the default because it's top down text plain test foo, and if we explicitly provide test foo, we will have this one. So this is the possibilities of routing. I hope you had fun watching this video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up, and if you don't want to miss new episodes, then subscribe to my channel. So far for today, stay safe, have fun, and as always, party on!
What are you doing here? What are you doing here?